Jacy, what will you say?
Thank you.
Thank you. Eh, kay Liam yan eh. Kay baby Liam eh. Suot mo yung isa, yung red. Dali.
Ang dami naman binigay na birth certificate.
Para sure na sure. Wow! Ganda naman yan. Gusto mo yan, JC? Ha? Apa?
Apa.
Wow! Anong gusto mo yan o yung yellow?
Which one you like?
Red o
or
yellow?
Red.
Red?
Red one.
Wow! Ang ganda naman. Bagay kay JC. Nako!
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Anong ganda? Lolo.
Lolo. Thank you, Lolo. Sabi mo, bilis.
Thank you, Lolo.
Thank you, Lala.
Lolo Eng.
Lala and
Thank you kay Lola Pinky.
thank you, Lala Pinky.
Eh kay Ate Casey din. Ate Casey.
Thank you, Daddy.
Good.
Look ka dito.
Nicely. Say it nicely. Ate Casey
Auntie Katie.
and Ate Nicole.
Auntie Nicole.
Thank you. You like it?
Yeah.
Wow.